Hi everyone, welcome to this demo from Databytes. Today we will put our Agentic AI side by side with Microsoft Fabric's Data Agent and Copilot. We will run a few analytics queries to generate charts, tables, summaries, and then push further with follow-ups. What we are comparing is accuracy and variety of outputs, also whether our system retains context through the conversation. It will be a quick demo, but it will show you why our agentic AI goes beyond the standard copilots. So now let's jump into the demo to see our agentic AI performs in action.
So all the solutions we are showcasing today are based on Power BI semantic model designed for renewable power generation business. We will start with some basic insights like power generation trend, and we will use the same prompt across all the three solutions. So as you can see, I'm putting up the same prompt in all the three solutions that we have, and you can see the output is being provided by Copilot, and somehow it only gives you output corresponding to the year of 2024. While if I look at the output provided by Agentic AI, it is in a form of an interactive line chart for which you can see the data point by hovering over any of the month. And for some reason, data agent is only providing the output up till January 2022. Now we are trying to identify worst three plants based on plant efficiency. Our agentic AI returns a tabular output that allows you to sort the data based on available metrics, while Copilot throws an error for this prompt. And if you will look at the output provided by a Fabric data agent, that gives an incorrect result since our data shows Hoover Dam is actually the third least efficient plant. Next up, let's compare the plant performance based on multiple benchmarks like power generated, plant efficiency, downtime, and number of failures. As you can see, Copilot was unable to process this request due to the complexity of the prompt, while our agent generated a tabular output with all the requested KPIs. The best part is you can sort any KPIs in ascending or descending order, just like regular Power BI tables. Since most business users want to export their data from their BI tool, our agent support CSV export app of tabular outputs. Although the data agent provide a tabular view, the limitation is that the table cannot be sorted or exported as a CSV. Now let's test this solution regarding capability to create interactive visuals. I am putting up a prompt asking all three solutions to create a scatter plot to see how downtime impacts the maintenance cost for each plant. Our agentic AI generates a scatter plot where each bubble represents a plant with downtime on the x-axis and maintenance cost on the y-axis. Copilot somehow again throws an error as it was not able to process this prompt either. Now, if you will look up at the Fabric data agent, it is still processing the request. After a while, it creates some random plot that does not make a lot of sense. Now, let's test the forecasting and prediction capability of this solution. I want to see the list of equipments that might fail in next 30 days. So, let's run this query across all three solutions. So, Copilot lists down all those equipments that might fail, but instead of 30 days window, it is only showing equipments tend to fail in next 5 days. Similarly, data agent also generates a list, but it is limited to equipment names and days to failure only, and it only covers the next 10 days. While our agentic AI explains the methodology used to do the prediction, and it also lists down the equipments that can fail in next 30 days along with some critical information like criticality, plant name, days to fail, current status of the equipments. As a follow up step, stakeholders might also be interested to see the expected maintenance cost to fix the equipment that might fail in next 30 days to get a complete picture for potential failures and cost associated to fixing them. And this prompt will also test the contextual understanding of all three solutions. In response, Copilot provides details including equipment ID, equipment name, plant name, and the expected maintenance cost, while Data Agent generates a list view, but the result appears to be incorrect since most of the costs are shown as $0. As I am noticing, the output generated by Copilot does not look reliable either, since the maintenance costs seem much higher than they should be. On other hand, if we will look at the output provided by our agentic AI, it lists down all the 79 equipments that were expected to fail in next 30 days along with their expected maintenance cost that you can sort in ascending or descending order.
As you saw, our agentic AI fully understands the context from previous conversations and delivers result in the desired format, like tables, charts, summaries. And unlike Microsoft Fabric's Data Agent and Copilot, which both require Microsoft Fabric license, our agent can run on top of any data source, like databases, semantic model, or any existing BI tool. This capability, along with contextual depth, makes it an intelligent analytics partner. Thanks for watching. If you would like a deeper walkthrough, reach out to us at Dataoids.